This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and software. This matters because port limits define options. First, check your Mac Mini M4 ports and each monitor's inputs, then pick cables. HDMI for one, USB-C/Thunderbolt or active adapters for others. Once you have HDMI 2.1 and a compatible USB-C or DisplayPort adapter, update Mac OS and download any required drivers like DisplayLink if needed. Now power down the Mac, connect the primary monitor to HDMI, and attach the second monitor to a Thunderbolt or adapter so the system recognizes both at boot. Once done connecting, boot your Mac and open System Settings to let it detect displays. You'll drag the blue monitor icons to match physical placement so the cursor moves naturally. If you used a Thunderbolt dock or a DisplayLink adapter, make sure it has adequate power and bandwidth. This is why docks have explicit ports. Then set the primary display, tweak resolution and refresh rate for each screen, and choose scaling to keep text sharp. Make sure HDR or color profiles are enabled only when the cable and monitor support the feature. Otherwise, disable them to avoid flicker. You finish by verifying audio routing, night shift, and color calibration so each monitor looks correct. Save presets if you switch layouts often. Make sure cables are secure, test full screen video and dragging between displays, then reboot to ensure settings persist. If something goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting step. Power cycle everything, unplug power from the Mac Mini and monitors for 10 seconds, then reconnect. If that doesn't help, replug cables individually and swap to a known good cable, or update the DisplayLink driver to resolve adapter issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.